Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix new Teams not opening, stuck on splash screen. If Microsoft Teams is getting stuck when you try to launch it, a quick repair or reset through Windows settings can often solve the problem. In this walkthrough, we'll use the built-in app settings on your PC to find Teams and access the troubleshooting options designed to fix startup issues. To begin, open Settings on your PC. You can usually do this from the Start menu or by using the Settings shortcut if that's faster for you. Once Settings is open, look toward the top of the window for the search bar. This is the quickest way to jump directly to the area we need without browsing through multiple menus. Click into the search field at the top and type Installed Apps. As you type, Windows should start showing matching results. When you see Installed Apps appear, click on it to open the full list of applications currently installed on your computer. Now that you're in the Installed Apps section, use the search option on that page to look for Microsoft Teams. This helps narrow the list, especially if you have a lot of apps installed. Once Microsoft Teams appears in the results, click on it to open its app options. From here, scroll down until you find the section labeled Reset and Repair. These tools are built into Windows and are useful when an app won't open properly, freezes during launch, or gets stuck on the splash screen. The Repair option typically tries to fix the app without affecting its data, while Reset is a stronger option that restores the app to a clean state. If you're following along visually, this is the area you want to focus on. When you find the Reset and Repair section, click on it to proceed. Depending on your version of Windows, you may see buttons or options within that section that let you continue with the troubleshooting process. At this point, give Windows a moment to complete the action, especially if the system is applying a repair in the background. Once that's done, try opening Teams again and see whether it gets past the splash screen normally. If Teams still doesn't open right away, wait a few seconds before trying again, since some repairs can take a moment to fully apply. This method is one of the simplest ways to address app launch issues without uninstalling anything, and it's a good first step whenever Teams appears stuck during startup. That's it for this guide.